Hello guys! Hello everyone! Oh, so this is the stage? Oh, damn hot, my god. Oh, okay, some touch up. Oh my god, it's all messed up. Some moisturizer. Oh my god, it feels so great. Okay, yeah, you ready? Is it here? Okay. 안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome to the latest video in this channel, Jump with Mawen. Have you subscribed to it? If you're not, please do so. I'm so fortunate to get invited by Mawen today for this very special video. Oh my god, it's an unboxing video. Let me introduce myself. Maybe you guys have not seen me, but I am an influencer with 100,000 followers. Unboxing video just like an influencer. Who is it coming from? Is this from Kmall24.com? Well, such a sweetie, but you know, it's a Christmas season and perfect timing for big boxes of Christmas to come here, and that's where influencers get a lot of free gifts as well. And just be professional, I have to introduce them. Kmall24. Do I have a script? Here's a script. Kmall24, apparently they are actually a website, you know, like an internet platform, like, you know, Shopee, Lazada. I guess it's like shopping paradise for all the girls, and also for the boys as well, but they just like PS5. You can discover tips and tricks, trending stories, and grab buys handpicked by Korean insiders. Wow, so I can get some, you know, become an onlings and hot Nuna tips in there, you know. Okay, second point is you can buy. This point buy, you know, women's is very sensitive to buy unique cool stuff from Korean brands. Korean brands, everything is good. It just makes us pretty. And ranging from BLEMISH. Oh, I love BLEMISH. Oh my god, Mawen, you really ruined this up. Oh my god. And I've opened this box to be continued from BLEMISH, you know, and also from food to health and entertainment. To be honest, I am a Blackpink stan. I really like Blackpink and I just want to dance like them, but I can't. A lot of girls who has been very popular in TikTok just use dance, but I'm just gonna use my beauty, focus on my beauty, and carry on with what I do best. Let us review. Let's open it up. This very cute parcel. And this parcel just takes 5 days to reach to Malaysia all the way from Korea. Okay, let's open up. Okay, the camera is here. Come. Kmall24. Whoa. A bunch of free stuff. Influencer just like this free stuff. So let me see. So we have a Whitree, very white, and a bunch of Korean words, which I don't know what is that. This is the, I think I saw this brand before. It's CENTELLA anti-blemish stick. Oh, and a bunch of fancy stuff. We have our RMTS. I am your tip clean. Oh no. I'm your lip tint. Oh, we have a lip tint here that's really good. Oh, what's this? Something like a dog foot. Oh, no, it's not a dog foot, it's a human foot. Oh my god, it's Chocolate chickpea. Wow. And this is the juice to cleanse. Is this a cleanser or something? It's a powder wash. Wow, I never used this before. Oh, they're so sweet. They have a mask holder for me. I have been searching for a great thing to hold my mask, and they're sending me this. Oh my god, mask. Korean mask, my first time using Korean mask, and I think that's all. There's still more. What's this? 또 뭐야? Kmall24, what is this for? Okay. And there's like a big box of this thing, so I don't know what's that. Am I looking pretty here? Okay, so here let's like open this up one by one, okay? Because you know, influencers have to open this up and give some good reviews and hide some benefits but I'm not going to do that because I'm an honest influencer. So, okay, so the first product is by Whitree. This is how influencers have to do. They have like one hand here and put in the products, but I'm not sure if this camera is really focusing because this camera is a bunch of shit. Very fancy packaging. I really like it. It's like a very aesthetic. So it's actually a toner. Okay, so this is a toner from Whitree, which I have never used before. So all of these products, you can find it in Kmall24, all of them. Description below, people, all the link in description below so that you can click at the subscribe button as well. So we have a BHA 0.5 toner. So apparently BHA is a very good thing for your face. Wow, it's such a big bottle. They have a gentle formula because toner is all about gentle. Not very strong, no fancy ingredients, no chemical, just natural. And there is a peeling effect that's really good, you know, like I'm exfoliate all of the things. And there's a moist, calm, and a barrier. And the second is the blemish stick. Can you focus it now, stupid phone? Blemish stick from PUREFORET. So actually I never seen this brand before as well, but this little girl is very cute. I like cute stuff. And you know, I haven't actually used a blemish stick before, but you know, everything that's good for your skin and say bye-bye to your very ugly pimples is going to be great. Okay, so let me open this up. Okay, it comes in like a very small packaging. I can say that this is a very good travel kit. If you want to go to travel, this will be a very good one. And this is a blemish stick. How to open this? Fancy stuff have fancy opening. Oh, it's here! Also, it comes in a stick like that, so you could just apply. Again, no English word, so I'm not really sure how to use it, but okay, with my very bad Korean, I think you're just going to apply on the places where you have a lot of blemishes, and this is basically should be your last step in your routine. All of the bad stuff, pimples, I had them, pimples and acne. Please don't exist in this world. So they're going to help you. This anti-blemish stick. Cold extraction and compression powder wash. Wow. This is very fancy because I've never seen anything similar like this before in Malaysia. And because it is a powder wash, if you can see, like there is a picture over here. Oh, I really can't assure if you can see because okay, so it's like really like a powder form. You can just put it on your hand. So this is a powder type mild cleanser, washes off dead skin smoothly to make skin clean and clear. I can say this is a very good stuff. Oh, it comes in like a very small packaging. So oh my god, this is no one tell me this is a cleanser. I might actually drink this because this is just like a coffee sachet. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm going to use this. Oh my god, I really feel excited because this is my first time seeing this kind of stuff. We have some food section here. You know, we just love foods. So I think I can show you the taste now. So you can just open it. You know what I love about Korean products? They are fancy. Influencer like fancy, you know, like this fancy stuff. So they can, you know, like post pictures like that. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Oh yeah, this kind of, you know, action. So I'm just going to open this very graciously and just have a taste. Oh wow, it's a chocolate. I thought it was a chicken piece. Oh, it was like a chocolate chickpea. So this is fancy. Oh my god. So it's really like that, you know, like just like a chocolate. Oh my god, it's really chicken peas. You get chicken peas with chocolate. Wow, that's really first thing that the first ever alien food I've ever eaten before. But actually, it's good. Yeah, I can say that it's good. Healthy food. And oh, the chocolate is really dark chocolate. It's not really like the very sweet kind of like Cadbury chocolate kind of taste. Oh, there's a beauty product here. So this is a lip tint. You can see that. It's a very cute lip tint. So, you know, pretty ladies need pretty lip tint. And this is very cute packaging because you can see like there's a like kind of like small thing. I don't know why is that. Hi, I'm yours. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm yours. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. 100 marks for this packaging. Wow, this is fancy. Okay, so this is a lip tint with a code of 03 Toasty Rose. I'm not sure if you can see that because of that lousy font again, but let me have a look on it. Wow, this is kind of dark. Okay. Okay, so now let me try it out. Okay, let me see if you can see that. I'm really bad in using this thing. Is it like that? Wow. Okay. I don't know what to say, seriously. Is the color good? Influencer shirts. I think how they did it right. Oh my god, and I always did that again. So thank you for that lip tint. The big box, which is this thing. So which I really have no idea what is this because it's a Mealite, so I assume this is a food thing. And very fancy. And I like this color because I like yellow. It's a perfect odd cereal. Wow, this is healthy. You know, influencers like healthy food. Oh my god, what is this? Guys, oh, this is fancy. This is very new to almost Malaysians. And this is like, what is this? What is this? I thought it was a drink. You know, like, people will just mistaken it like drink, but it is actually a cereal. How do I eat this, seriously? 어떻게 먹어야죠? Should I add in any water or something? Uyu, tegu. I think I need to add some water. But actually, they did send me instructions, but I just don't want to read it first because surprise. Okay, I'm really excited for opening this up because you know COVID-19 really blew me off because my beauty face is just really covered with, you know, masks, and sometimes, oh my god, I have keeping mask. Keeping mask is the shit, you know, like things just get really hot. So this is like a MASKEEPER. So I'm just going to open this very graciously again. Oh, I like how cute it is. It's black in color. You can see that. Yeah, sweet baby. Okay. Now, and just going to open just like a this casket or something. Okay, there's nothing inside. But okay, so basically you can just keep your mask, and I think this is the part that you can keep your mask. Is it like that? Oh, you can. Oh, this is connected. Oh, okay, 이렇게 만들어졌어요. Wow, it's a MASKEEPER. This is a great invention, and Malaysian, where are you? Whenever no one actually found these products, we really need this because from our mask contaminated virus on the chair or something. And very last thing is a good manner mask. So also actually I saw a lot of this kind of shape of mask in Korean, but Malaysia we just use like, you know, like very unstylish mask, but of course safety first. But later I'm gonna use this mask, but I'm not sure if these can be reused, but I don't think you can reuse these. This is a one-time use mask as well. A KF94, so KF94 is good enough to actually block all the viruses, bad viruses. So, oh my god, I've done all the job, guys. So again, thank you Kmall24 for sending all of these wonderful products, and I am delighted to send these and to have a lot of shoots with you guys, and I have a sweet time with all my subscribers and all my fans. So guys, please check out all this wonderful stuff that you can't find in Malaysia or even in another world. In another countries of the world. Anywhere you are, just go to Kmall24. A lot of good alien but awesome products, a lot of adventure. You can be there in Kmall24. Just click on the description below to visit to Kmall24, and also a bunch of good products in the link of description below. And See you guys. Oh my god, this is tiring. Okay, I'm just going to leave here. Ends, right? Okay, where's my money? Oh my god. Don't call me here again next time. Hi guys, this is your real Mawen here. So if you like this video, please remember to click subscribe and like and really share this video. And I might have a chance to really give some giveaways from Kmall24 after that. So remember to subscribe and click the the bell button so that you can get latest notifications for the latest video that I might be giving out some free stuff. So see you the next one. And free information, that's not really me, I'm just acting. Bye. 안녕히 가세요 여러분. 안녕.